In this section we are going to attach the two face panels parts I to the bed frame. Note the twin-size Murphy bed only has one face panel. Lay the face panels flat on the floor. Pay close attention to the finished edges of the face panels. Make sure the two side finished edges are facing out, and the finished footer end of the face panels are facing the same direction. If you are building a queen-size or a double-sized Murphy bed, make sure the two face panels are tightly pushed together, and there is no gap between them. They should also be flush at the footer end. Now measure and mark 3/4 inches in from the finished footer end of the face panels. This measurement is important because this end of the face panels will make contact with the cabinet top stopper component when the bed is complete. You may use a piece of 3/4 inch, 1x2 scrap wood, to double-check your measurements. Measure and mark 1/2 inch along the outer finished edges of the face panels. This is the part of the face panels that will stick out of the bed frame. There will be 1/2 inch on each side of the completed bed frame. You may use a drywall framing square or a long ruler to help you finish marking the face panels, where you placed the initial pencil marks. For this step, use construction adhesive such as PL Premium, which you can purchase from your local hardware store. Run a bead of construction adhesive along the frame struts and frame sides. Be generous when applying the adhesive. A good bond is essential for the structural integrity of the bed frame. Note the face panels need to be glued to the bed frame. Failure to do this will cause the face panels to possibly come away from the bed frame over time. Double check to make sure your face panels are tightly pushed together and there is no gap between them. Align and center the header end of the bed frame on the face panels. Now slowly lower the bed frame onto the face panels. You may need to use a helper to assist you with this step. Make sure you lower the bed frame within the pencil lines on the face panels. The bed frame should be on or slightly inside of the 3/4 inch pencil line. It is okay if the bed frame is slightly inside the pencil lines. Use 1 1/4 inch long wood screws, and drive one screw into the bed frame on the footer end as shown here. It is important that you follow the proper sequence outlined in Section 9 of the construction guide. You must drive the screws in the proper sequence shown in the diagram in Section 9 in the construction guide. If you are building a twin bed, refer to the sequence shown in Section 9 as well. This will ensure that your bed frame will be square on the face panels. Note that if you are building your Murphy bed out of particle board, you will be using 1/2 inch thick material for the face panels. This will require you to use 1 inch long wood screws to attach the bed frame to the face panels. Use extra adhesive glue in this case. Push down on the bed frame when driving to screws to make sure the two parts will make good contact. Due to the nature of wood, you may have to make small adjustments on the bed frame as you screw the bed frame to the face panels. Make sure the bed frame is within the 1/2 inch pencil marks on both sides of the face panels. It is okay to be inside the lines up to 1/16 inch. Drive a 1 1/4 inch wood screw in the corner of the bed frame. Do the same for the other side. Make sure the face panels are tightly pushed together before you drive the screws. Drive the remaining screws every 9 to 10 inches to secure the bed frame to the face panels. The face panels should be flush with the header end of the bed frame. However, the face panels may be within 1/8 inch of the footer end of the bed frame. This end of the bed frame will not be visible, as it will be facing the wall or facing the floor when the bed is finished. This means face panels should not extend more than 1/8 of an inch beyond the bed frame header part B, because the face panels may rub on the kick panel of the bed if you decide to install one. The bed frame is now complete and ready for the mattress supports.